In today's video, we'll talk about a fruit that's not very common in households around the world, but has great potential for treating and preventing pain in the spine and knees. This fruit strengthens not only the spine and knees, but the entire system of muscles and joints in our body. The spine is a complex structure that extends from the skull to the pelvis and consists of 33 bones, also called vertebrae. This structure contributes to the protection, support, flexibility, and mobility of the entire body. The knee is a joint formed by the connection of the femur and tibia. Together with the kneecap, it contributes to the extension and flexion movements and is also very important for our movement. In addition, it has ligaments and muscles that are important for the mobility of the leg and can prevent damage that can be caused by sudden or excessive movements. Back and knee pain are often linked and can be caused by many factors, such as extreme physical activity, falls, and poor posture. In general, older adults are more prone to lower back pain because the soft tissues around the spine lose elasticity with age. There are painkillers that relieve this pain, but we can also prevent it by keeping the muscles of the spine and knees strong and flexible with specific exercises. Also, we should remember to have a healthy weight, not smoke, and maintain the correct posture to avoid feeling these pains. Now you may be wondering, but what's that fruit you were talking about earlier? It's the fig. Have you ever eaten it? Do you like it? The fig is an extraordinary fruit for strengthening not only the spine and knees, but the entire system of muscles and joints in our body. It's also a good source of energy. Its high water content prevents dehydration, and its high fiber content promotes intestinal transit, so it helps against constipation. In addition, fig improves brain function, and its high folic acid content makes it indispensable for the proper development of the fetus during pregnancy. It's also used to relieve colds and flu and helps against high blood pressure. Thanks to its vitamin A content, it helps improve the appearance of the skin and supports wound healing. But how do you use fig to protect your spine and knees? All you need is to consume 1 dried fig, 1 dried apricot, and 5 prunes every night. These fruits contain substances that stimulate tissue regeneration, and each of them contains nutrients that are beneficial for our spine. Besides eating these fruits, you should also follow our other tips to prevent and relieve pain that's so uncomfortable and debilitating. Did you like this recipe? Did you know about these incredible benefits of figs? If you got this far, leave in the comments the word fig, so we know you found this video interesting. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.